Alright guys, this is my new haircut. I like it. Now today I'm going to show you my fidget spinners. 2 of them. So here's my first one. Now my second one is this Killer Ninja Star. I call this one the Suicide Joker. I call this one the Frog, because its eyes look like a frog, see? But it's a really good fidget spinner though. This one's dangerous. Now look at that bird beak. Looks like the fidget spinner has a tattoo doing this. And it has tattoos. This one just looks like a frog because it's green and the eyes are orange. And this one's called the Frog, right? Right, Freddy? Yep, you're right. There you go. So right here are just chargers, and right now this is the one I'm charging my phone with right now. Let's see. It's kind of good. Now I'm gonna kill myself.
Joke like that.
No.
You hear me?
This one is like brittle. What?
You can't joke like that.
Alright.
Not funny.
Actually, this one looks like Batman. Those little bat ears. If you want to ask where I got Nightmare Foxy, I got him from Toys R Us. I ordered Foxy online. Got this one from Target. And I don't know when I got this. Probably some years ago. And this is the purple guy I used for my video. Kind of creepy, huh? So here's the purple guy. I used a purple monkey that looks like him. And here's the gun that I got in the video, like, tell me where the money is. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably use him for some videos. If I get 1,200 subscribers, I'll make a purple guy video, purple guy's live. So you better give me 50 subscribers, not 1,200. At least 50 subscribers, please. I want to get subscriptions, please, people. And hold on for a sec. Now, guys, I have a cool trick that I showed my dad. Check out this. Not that. Like, look. Here's going to be my camera holder. Look. I don't know why I keep on doing that. Hold on. Look at this. What does this look like? Think this is the Joker sign? It is. See? Now this is going to be really tricky. See? Throwing 2 in the same time. 2 fidget spinners. You saw it, huh? Uh-huh. You want to go? Let's go. Alright. And I'm going to do it this time on my pinky. Oh, Do you see this? See this storage? Now, hope you ding, subscribe, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to hear more fidget spinner videos or gaming videos. Bye.